Let's go. Tingnan niyo ang style ni Yuri. Ayaw niyang magsuot ng short. Underwear lang daw ang gusto niyang isuot. Ayan. Look at your chick style. He likes it that way. He doesn't want short. No short for me. No short for me. Put on your short now. Ayaw niya mag-short talaga. Dinala ko na lang yung short niya dito. Baka gusto na niya isuot mamaya. We'll go to eat breakfast. At magda-diving din sila today. Ayan ang camera ni Dimitri. Yan ang gagamitin niya pang video underwater. Low tide. It's still low tide. Mag-aalmusal muna kami bago sila mag first dive. What's that? Is that a snake? Ice cream is not for breakfast, Yuri. It's not for breakfast. It's later, after. You can eat later. No ice cream today. Dito yung turtles kahapon, oh. Nilalangoy dito lang yung turtles.
Papa Jose. The Papa Jose.
Bon appetit, your chick. Yummy. I don't always show my face.
Yummy. I can eat you, Papa. I can eat.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, cheese. Yeah! Okay, jump.
Tapos na kaming maligo ni Yuri sa swimming pool, guys. Si Dimitri, si Max, at tsaka si Eugene. Nag-scuba diving sila sa may Pescador Island. Hintayin namin sila na bumalik matapos mag-scuba diving. And after that, magla-lunch lang kami at punta na kami ng Cebu City. Ayan si Yuri, nagsuot na siya ng short. Balik kami dito sa aming room. Yeah, so dirty. Go this way, this way, this way. Yuri. Maliligo lang kami ni Yuri. At hihintayin sila Dimitri. Napaka-ano ng batang ko. Napaka-addict na sa swimming pool. Gustong-gusto lagi mag-swimming.
To check
What?
out?
No, they just asked if we're gonna check out today. They're back from diving from Pescador Island.
It's for Maldives.
Papa, they mango.
With the hope here.
Papa, mango. They mango.
Mango, yeah. You want
And you have a mango. I got the mango.
Mango. Yuri, that's for divers. Are you a diver?
Busmak! Baha, Busmak! Baha!
Magla-lunch lang kami dito and then after we're gonna go to Cebu City na. May nakita ulit ako na turtle dyan guys. Mamalangoy dyan malapit sa may bangka. Kakabalik lang nila mag-diving. Dyan sila nag-diving sa Pescador Island. Yung maliit na island na yan. Mayroon daw dyang cave. Nag-diving sila sa cave. Dyan. Ha? Food is not ready pa. Still cooking in the kitchen. Yeah, it's our food.
You mine.
Mine. Gina. Uy. Up. Can I sit first?
Yuri, come to them.
What's that, teacher?
No, video?
Wait, what's happening?
Wait.
What's happening? Let's go.
Welcome to Cebu City. That's Qualcon right there. I once worked in Qualcon, Dumaguete. Mag-check-in lang kami dito tapos magkakain kami ng dinner. Plano namin kumain ng lechon. Lechon sa Cebu. Room number 20? I think here. Okay, open it. Up. Yay, you did it. Wow, welcome to our home. Our home for tonight.
Yuri,
You check.
provide insert. Yuri, give me. Should put here and insert. It's too high. Too high for
You cannot reach it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's for light.
It's for light. Don't take it.
Not working. Light will not work.
This is our room. How much is this per night, Papa?
1,800, I think.
1,800 per night. Here sa, nasa ano pala kami? Nasa Nubo, Cebu. Nubo. This is the bathroom. Dimitri is showering already. Okay guys, let's go. We're ready for dinner. We're so excited to try lechon.
No. Bring it here.
Lechon is
Okay.
life.
Take it.
I'm craving for lechon. Maybe I'm pregnant.
Let's stay in this room.
No, this is not the room.
This is not.
This is where workers.
At ang bayan niyang pinili nasa dulo ng bahaghari. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas. Ulo ang... Yuri, what happened to you? It's healing already. Bibilhan namin siya ng cream pang tanggal ng scar para hindi mag-scar yung ano niya. Hey! Wow, your chick shoes are so nice. Beautiful lights. Colorful. That's not our car. What's the color of our car?
White.
No, not white. It's not ours. What is the color of our car?
This is brown.
That's not brown. That's gray. Yeah. What's the color of our car? This road looks strange.
Oh, wait, left.
Where is the
Maybe
lechon house?
Where?
The left, yeah,
Ah,
yeah.
here.
I think it's
Baby,
there.
happy day.
Yeah, there.
Lechon house here?
I think.
там tomorrow?
Look at this. You should buy this one. You should buy it for sure.
Correctly to say world of lechon.
House of lechon. Only house.
Baboy, 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 baboy.
Not the head. Super dami ng tao dito. Wow. Talagang sikat na sikat tong lechonan na to. Lechon restaurant.
Мне нравится лechon.
We got our seat. The boss is in the middle with special chair.
Ужин. What's that, rice? Ah, rice. So careful, cut. Wait. How is it? Nice? Спасибо, малыш, спасибо. Попробуем. Давайте я попробую. Явно. Реально вкусно. Да? Да? Я тебе тысячу не покажу.
How's the lechon?
Very nice.
Very lamig.
I'm not really fan of lechon,
But this
but this
lechon.
lechon I like.
What about you?
Lamig kayo.
Lamig kayo? Lamig kayo?
Очень вкусно, вообще very nice, tasty.
Sobrang konti na lang natira. Good for 5 to 6 person yung isang kilo. Isang kilo yung in-order namin. Mahihinang nila lang ang mga kasama ko. Hindi makaubos ng isang kilong lechon. Alright guys! We'll see you tomorrow. Bukas na kami magpapasyal dito sa Cebu. Papasyal kami dun sa my hills part. Siguro top of Cebu. Punta kami ng top of Cebu. And we're gonna do shopping also for Yuri and for me because Dimitri nag-shopping na siya sa Manila. Скажи bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yuri, скажи bye-bye. Say bye-bye. What happened to your eye? Bye-bye! Bye-bye, everyone! Another day in Cebu. Very good. Good morning, Cebu. The view from Alba. This is the view from our balcony. Hindi namin ma-open to. Nilock nila para for safety siguro ng mga guests kasi nakakatakot din dyan sa labas. Spasiba Bolshoi, Papa.
Mama, look.
Cheers. Yummy coffee.
You wanna taste mine?
Kiss Mama. Today is Mother's Day. You kiss your mama and greet Mother. Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I love you. Kiss. Kiss. Kiss me.
Mama, taste,
Kiss
taste.
me.
Taste, Mama, taste, taste.
Cheers. He wants to cheers his sugar. Your chick is not in the mood. Kasi ayaw niyang magsuot ng sapatos. Yuri, you have to put on your shoes. Punta na kami ng Busay, guys. Doon kami mag-aalmusal. At papasyal kami. Siguro punta kami ng Tops of Cebu. Or somewhere. Kaya nandito kami sa Busay. Mag-breakfast kami dito. Sa Humba Heaven. At Humba Heaven ang pangalan nila. Maganda ang view dito, guys. Daming tao. Alam. Ang ganda ng view. Wow. It's even more beautiful here than the place where we eat breakfast in Baguio. I'm gonna order this with sikwati, putumaya, mango, and I think that's humba. Tima will order this one. So this is the Bisaya breakfast. It's with sticky rice, mango, chocolate, and humba, and some fried rice, and eggs, and some papaya salad, and cucumber. It's so big, guys. It's for 208. It's for 285. So big.
What is this?
Dried fish, danggit fish.
You can eat it?
Danggit, yeah, you eat it. It's like crisp. I like it.
I never had it.
Try it. It's their product here in Cebu. What? You have some.
Oh, it's nice.
You like it? I like this.
Good.
This is very popular dried fish in the Philippines,
It's good.
and it's #1 product here in Cebu. One of the best product here in Cebu.
I really like chips.
Like chips? Your chick likes it actually. Yuri, chips. He call it chips. 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 Your chick loves this bulad. This one, no, another one. It's not crispy. This one. So you have sausage, 2 eggs, humba, and salad, and cucumber, and dried fish. That's the supreme breakfast. Yours looks more yummy. It has more fun. Si Dimitri lang ang nakaubos ng aming breakfast. Yay! Nandito kami sa Sirao Garden sa Cebu. Second time namin dito ni Dimitri. First time ng aming mga kaibigan. Nakapunta na kami like 5 years ago dito. I think 4 or 5 years ago. Nakapunta kami dito ni Dimitri. Wala pa si Yuri nun. Mas nag-improve na siya kaso yung mga flowers hindi na walang masyadong flowers today. I mean, dati maraming flowers dito. Siguro nandun sa baba. It's like in the lot. Not so many flowers anymore. Mas maraming flowers dati kasi tag-init ngayon. Hindi season ng flowers. No, dito walang flowers na. Last time nagpunta kami dito, tag-ulan yun, mas maraming flowers, mas healthy tingnan yung mga flowers nun. Bye-bye! It's okay ra. Bye-bye! Uncle Jin will go home.
No.
Uuwi na si Eugene, guys. Mauuna siyang uuwi kasi may trabaho pa siya bukas. Kami mag-stay pa kami sa Cebu ng mga one night. Punta kami dito sa Magellan Cross. Dito kami sa Cebu Cathedral, guys.
Artemio Ramona Dominga, Tomas Maura, Arsha, Flaviano, Melissa, Bernard, Michael.
Bye-bye! You have sunburn. Hindi na pala. Hindi na kami pupunta sa Magellan Cross, guys, kasi sobrang init. It's not the right time to go to Magellan Cross. Sobrang init sa labas. Nakakapaso ang init. Magpunta na kami ng SMC side. Yeah, more. Ah, you need to turn. You need to turn there, yeah. It's for me. Give me my balloon. Doesn't want to give me my balloon. It's me. It's for me. It says Happy Mother's Day. You're the baby, I'm the mama. Ayun na si Yuri. Excited sa dinosaur. Nice place. Nangilog ang balon. Yuri gets scared. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. It's alright. Nailog ang balon. Yuri, give it to me. It's for me. It's my balloon. I will check Yuri and Dimitri here sa playground. Kasi nag-playground sila. Mama, he didn't realize it was me. Mama, beautiful.
Мама закончила с прямыми волосами. Ой, еще подстрижены.
He was trying to look at me like, what changed? What changed Mama's face?
Мама изменилась.
Kakabalik lang namin sa aming hotel, guys. Yan si Yuri. Knockdown. Sa sasakyan pa yan na knockdown. You like my hair? You don't regret this hair? I'm not sure. I think it's beautiful. Look at my hair. Nagpa-keratin treatment ako. Kasi ayoko magpariban. Kasi ano yun, matatagalan yun. Tapos mas mahal. Sa ano to, sa David Salon dyan sa may SMC side. Okay naman siya. At least hindi na buhaghag ang aking buhok. Hindi na frizzy. Nagpa-trim din ako. Hello! Good morning, people! We're checking out here today. Dalhin natin ang mga dental kit dito. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Bibigay ko to kay Linlin. Ano to? Vanity kit. Yuri. Brush your teeth, baby! Huh? Why not? Good morning!
Morning. Mayong buntag.
Mayong buntag. Yuri, mayong buntag. Ready na si Yuri. Yuri, asay mo shoes? Ah, it's in the car. Forgot to bring your shoes here. Oh, we still have this soap. Check out muna kami dito, guys. Tapos, almusal kami somewhere. And, mga 11 a.m. pa siguro ma-open ang mall. I don't know. Gusto ko sana bumili ng mga damit para sa amin ni Yuri. Kasi birthday na ni Yuri next week. May 19 yung birthday ni Yuri, guys. Ano na siya, 3 years old na siya. Check everything. Dali, pagdali.
Yeah, me too.
Balik kami dito sa Humba Heaven, guys. Kahapon maraming tao dito.
Maxima cappuccino.
Yummy! Chorizo di Cebu. Sausage omelette for the guys.
Помидор, конечно, вкусный.
Yum. Green style. Oh.
6 months.
Yuri, come here. Oh, kahonsam. Nag-shopping man ang bata. Wow, nag-shopping ang bata. Oh, nag-shopping ang bata. Come back. Si Yuri lang ang maraming nabili, guys. Marami siyang nabiling mga shorts and t-shirts and underwear. Ako, yung nabili ko mga flats lang. At saka bralette. Wala akong nagustuhan sa H&M. Meron akong nagustuhan pero hindi siya mag-fit sa akin. Kasi maliit ako. Wala akong masyadong nakitang maganda na. Yummy ice cream?
It's already nice.
Gelato. Bumili si Yuri ng gelato. Strawberry. Alright guys, we're going home. See you at home in about maybe 6 hours. be back home.
Мне кажется, это испорчено уже.
Yeah. Our refrigerator is also back just today. Naayos na siya, guys. They're done fixing it.
Your underwear?
Ikaw ni Yuri sa sakyan na lang ang chicharon. Usa na lang nabilin ang nay ampaw o bread.
May naman nabutang mugod na.
No room yet.
Yeah, room is.
On the veranda.
So this space will be the room from here going there. And then veranda. It's so small. The room is so small actually. It's really for Yuri.
Or for office.
Why you didn't make room just there going there? And veranda just small.
Just square house, how it's planned.
Nice. Yan, kinain to ng anay. Akala ko natapos na nila, hindi pa pala. Tinasprayan na namin ng, sa silong namin, sa buong paligid ng pang-antay-anay. Mapicon.
Темное с белым. Ну, серое с белым. Блин, сейчас я работу делаю.
Alright guys, see you tomorrow. Wow, may moon. See you tomorrow. Papakita ko sa inyo bukas yung update dito sa bahay. At tsaka sa aking garden. Maglalaba muna kami ng mga damit namin habang may tubig pa. Lalagay namin sa laundry.